If you need more ports and storage, check out this 10-port USB-C hub with a built-in SSD enclosure from Yottamaster. Hi, this is David Tefobaba, the channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's unbox this Yottamaster USB-C hub with a built-in SSD enclosure. Not only does it give us 10 additional ports, it's also an enclosure for NVMe SSD to provide additional storage. I'll put a drive in it and see what transfer speed I can get out of it. Thanks to Yottamaster for sending this out for me to share with you. As always, what I share with you on Tech for Baba are my own experiences with tech and my humble and honest opinions. Subscribe to the channel for more content on tech that can make our lives better. The hub comes in a simple black box with a nice printed sleeve. Inside, there's the hub, and underneath, there's an USB-C to USB-C cable, a couple of screws, a screwdriver, a thermal pad, and a user's manual in Chinese and English, and another one in several other European languages. The hub is built quite well. It's all aluminum, with ridges and fins on the top to help with heat dissipation. There's a Yottamaster logo in the middle. It's nice and slim at about 5.5 inches by 3 inches, and just about half an inch thick. On one side, there's an USB-C input port and an audio in and out. There's a small indicator light in between the two that lights up when the input port is plugged in. On the long side, there's a HDMI port, another USB-C port, a micro SD and UHS 2 SD card reader, and 2 USB-A ports. On the other short side, there's a Gigabit Ethernet port and another USB-A port. The USB-A ports all support USB 3.1, which can go up to 10 gigabits per second and 5 watt 1.5 amps charging. The USB-C ports support USB 3.2, which also goes up to 10 gigabits per second, and they support up to 20 volts 5 amps charging with a PD charger, which is not included. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yep, it's a 10-port hub. But what makes this 10-in-1 USB-C hub special is what's on the bottom. No, not the 4 rubber feet, even though they're very nice to have and keep the hub from slipping on my desk. What's really special is under this bottom cover in the center. There's an NVMe slot to add more storage. Let's unscrew it and see what's inside. There is the slot. It supports M key or B&M key drives in various sizes, 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280. Let's try it out with this 1TB M key 2280 drive I got off an old laptop. By the way, the prices are coming down on these drives. I'll put links to a couple of 2TB drives under $200 in the description below. It's simple to install. Just insert the drive into the slot at an angle, and use one of the 2 included screws to hold it down. Next, attach the included thermal pad to help with heat dissipation. I like to stick the thermal pad on the bottom of the cover instead of on the drive, so it's easier to reuse it when I want to swap the drive out. Alright, just close the cover and tighten the screw. Now let's see what transfer speed I can get out of this enclosure. Here I have it connected to my M1 Max MacBook Pro with Blackmagic Disk Speed Test. Wow, 961 megabytes per second write and 858 megabytes per second read. Very fast for USB-C external drive. Cause with the popular Samsung T7 connected to the same laptop, I get only about 620 megabytes per second write and 690 megabytes per second read. The Yottamaster is about 1.5 times faster in write and 1.25 times faster in read. Very nice. The Yottamaster USB-C 10-in-1 hub with SSD enclosure lists for $150, which is not cheap. There are good discounts though most of the time in the link I'll include in the description below. It's currently 25% off, for example. If you've seen some of my other videos, you may be able to tell that I'm a bit obsessed with external drives since I'm always running out of storage. This is one of the fastest USB-C drive I've tried. I also like how the hub and the drive can operate with just an USB-C connector to the laptop or desktop. No external power needed. Good job, Yottamaster. If you're also looking for more ports and more storage, this is a great all-in-one solution to check out. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. What hubs or external drives do you like? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.